3D printed functional parts, but this time not by YouTubers, but by community. And this video is sponsored by Polymaker, but they are not sponsoring me, but two lucky guys from this video. Welcome to my tech fam. My name is Igor, and between my students and viewers, I always like to promote printing of functional parts too, not only figurines or toys. And a month ago I asked 3D printing YouTubers to send me their favorite functional part, and in that video I mentioned that I will do the same, but this time by community. And I got 8 videos, so let's see them in arriving order.
Hi, my name is Steven, and this is my car key. It has 4 buttons on it that are unnecessary and redundant because the key also functions as a proximity sensor. And so to prevent myself from accidentally pressing these buttons, I created this, which is a small cube made out of glass-filled nylon with a cavity inside that's the exact shape and size of the electronics from the original key and the electronics from an Apple AirTag. I simply pause the print before the cube is sealed, put the electronics inside, and then resume printing, sealing the two inside. If I ever need to replace the battery, I'll use a screwdriver to crack this thing open and reprint it. This is my favorite functional print ever. Thank you.
Hi, Igor. Wilf here from Canada. This is a part I designed to replace a tray I made for my bird feeder. And I have a small 3D printer, so I had to print it in sections. I used ABS, so I hope it will last for a while. And thanks for letting us share our designs. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Mike. I'm from California, and the print I wanted to feature is this cool MagSafe case for thin optics reading glasses by Fredinator 1234 on Thingiverse. I printed this in PLA, and I used the Prusa XL because the compartment where the glasses go is pretty small, and it's hard to remove the supports unless you can use dissolvable supports. The XL makes that pretty easy.
Hi, my name is Alan Uthia. I'm a mechanical engineer, and today I want to share how 3D printing allowed me to make the watch of my dreams, a stainless steel Casio F91W.
By rapidly prototyping various designs and iterations, I was able to reach a final design that I sent to PCBWay for CNC manufacturing.
This watch maintains the original functionality of the Casio F91W. I hope this inspires you to utilize 3D printing to bring your ideas to life.
Hi, my name is Philip from Spain, and this is my favorite functional print. It's a chainsaw pole mount that took me 3 hours and 100 grams of ASA filament. I chose ASA because of its UV resistant and this being a functional part. Let's see how it works. There are plenty of free accessories and also some paid upgrades. Thank you very much for watching.
Hello, I am ThatRobHuman, and the theme of the day is apparently work holding. I have here a set of helping hands, primarily for electronics, inspired by and compatible with OmniFixo. So if you want to make your own or add some flexibility to an OmniFixo you already have, this may be a good option. I also have a painting handle for miniature painters out there. It has swappable jaws for different shaped and sized bases, and the finger rest can be swapped out for whatever works best for your needs. Chris Borga's ball vise probably needs no introduction, but I remixed it to include instructions and a proper bill of materials. I've also made a few add-ons for it, like this scroll chuck and fixture plate with hold-downs for holding particularly large or ornery objects to work with them. All of these can be found on my printables, and I hope they end up being useful to someone more than just me.
Hello, my name is Dmitry, and I'm a medical helicopter doctor. I run a Pro-SMP YouTube channel. My channel is mostly about medicine. 3D printing is just my hobby. I use SolidWorks to create 3D models, and I print them on a Bambu Lab X1C printer. Mostly I make various spare parts and improvements for medical equipment. For example, I created a protective casing for several defibrillators from TPE, parts for a syringe pump from PLA, a holster for medical scissors from PETG, and other similar items. All the models are available for free on Thingiverse. Thank you for your videos and for the opportunity to share my models. Bye.
Hello Igor and viewers, I'm Tony from the UK, and I've grabbed just a few of my favourite functional prints This remains one of my favorite. I think it was probably my first functional print, and it's actually a toilet roll holder. It's really perfectly easy to print, and even comes with its own PETG spring design, which is working perfectly and hopefully will continue. And of course I can always reprint bits. That's by Shocker 828. And I also printed probably one of the biggest things I've printed, my toolbox for all my 3D bits. It's got PETG hinges, and I printed the rest out of ASA8 because it sits in a window that gets very, very hot. And yeah, that's from Michael Fanta. It's called S-Box, and he's got different sizes available. And yeah, that's great. That's been working really, really well. This one was obviously for purposes of ours, but more aesthetic print as well. And it's a fairly recent design called Dragon Scale Vase from Modern Machine, and printed out really easily, really nicely. And this is a tricolor filament that looks really nice. And if you get bored, just turn it around a bit, from Everyone. And finally, another print that was really simple, really quick, was a replacement jaw for this litter picker, which otherwise would have ended up just thrown in the bin. So I really love being able to just quickly print it out and repair it. That's from D_Fox, the designer, and just put a bolt through to fix it, and works absolutely perfectly, and hopefully will continue to. Thanks very much. Bye.
One more time, thank you guys for these presentations. And don't forget, Polymaker offered 2 $100 vouchers to lucky winners, and they will draw the winner in their live stream on 26th of December. They already got the names and the email addresses, so the winners will get the email with further instructions. And to all you other, thank you for watching this video, and happy functional 3D printing.